Hoskinson believes transactions on the Cardano network will multiply 25 times in 2022. Proponents are bullish on a recovery in the Cardano's price and predict a massive breakout in the altcoin. Is Hoskinson's claim another way of raising hopes of the community? What is the evidence that will foster this achievement? Watch this video till the end to find out. Amid the ongoing happenings in the cryptocurrency market, Cardano's founder, Charles Hoskinson, has established a claim that it will multiply 25 times and beat the existing cryptocurrencies in the market. This claim has stirred up reactions, most of which are directed towards the fact that this was Hoskinson's way of hyping things up, a similarity to what happened 2 years ago. When a new project is launched, there are high expectations as to its performance. Most of the time, speculations flood the market as to how it will fare in a year. The managers of these projects successfully play a huge role in the heightening people's expectations. Sadly, some of them fail to deliver and meet up with these aims. This situation is peculiar to Charles Hoskinson and a prediction he made 2 years ago concerning Cardano. He predicted that by 2021, there would be hundreds of assets running on Cardano, thousands of dApps, tons of interesting projects, and a lot of unique uses and utilities. He also added that the year would be so much fun watching Cardano grow and evolve. A year later, Hoskinson was called out for failing to deliver on the prediction when the program time came. So is his recent claim a repetition of this situation? However, this does not deter from the fact that Cardano did not record any achievements in 2021. This was the year when ADA token hit an all-time high and climbed the market cap rankings. Revolving around the previous years, it was established that the development of Cardano was slow. It launched its first smart contracts in September 2021, 6 years after the mainnet went live. Several issues were raised in the community, which indicated that Cardano's TPS, transaction fees, and scalability were not as perfect as they should be. Fast forward to the current year, it is evident that Cardano has been able to access improvements and attain a level of trustworthiness. Cardano's treasury indicates that there is a scope for faster and more seamless development and updates in projects like algorithmic stablecoin and JED. As projects are built on its blockchain network, the altcoin has shown crucial advancements in the past couple of months. Despite the recent slump in the cryptocurrency prices, several analysts are bullish on Cardano's recovery. The network is currently testing its capabilities with COTI and ADA for the algorithmic stablecoin JED. The massive funds in Cardano's treasury could be used to fund this and future projects. There has been a rise in bearish pressure on the altcoins, like Cardano, after a recent bloodbath in the market. However, ADA's price has sustained above 53 cents. While most cryptocurrencies rebound from sell-offs, Hoskinson is bullish on the project. He believes transactions on the Cardano network would multiply 25 times in the year, thereby encouraging seasoned investors not to be bothered by the sell-offs in the market. The crypto market is currently in flux in wake of Terra USD and Luna collapsing values. It is considered that Cardano will experience a major leap, which will pave the way for a dynamic recovery in the crypto market rather than a signal of instant resurgence. Many coins are recovering some of their lost value after falling far over the previous period, and one of the biggest gainers is Cardano. It gained a quarter of its value, while other major players in the crypto space also experienced substantial gains. Many are attributing the heavy fluctuating nature of the market to the fall of coins Terra USD and Luna, combined with the United States' concerns of rising inflation. Certain forecasts suggest that the jump of many cryptocurrencies will be the beginning of more fluctuations before the market reaches a point of stability. Many remain fearful of the current state, and if Cardano's predicted rise proves to be a fluke, this sentiment may not change quickly. Cardano has indeed reclaimed some of its value, but with a jump as big as this, it could be a testament to the market's volatility rather than a ray of hope for investors. Cardano is making efforts to leave a positive impact on the world, and with success, could leave a significant impact on the security of the world's handling of information in various places. This will make Cardano a very interesting coin to watch as the market continues to shift. But it is important to note that this moment in crypto history is bound with uncertainty. It could be the best moment to buy, or it could be the beginning of an arduous journey of recovery for many currencies. With the careful development of Cardano, it can be concluded to be one of the most secure cryptos. This gives it access to be used as a medium of payment by many vendors and companies. On normal grounds, the features and development that Cardano witnesses are always reviewed before release. This tends to create a sense of security in the mind of investors. Recently, Hoskinson revived the hopes of the people by announcing that its forthcoming project, Vaso Hard Fork, will take place sometime in June and bring a massive improvement to Cardano. He had previously explained that this new hard fork would introduce several scaling improvements, which include pipelining, new Plutus CIP, UTXO on-disk storage, and Hydra. According to IOHK's weekly report, every hand is on deck for the preparations of this event. Improvements have been made to the logging and pipelining tests. The UTXO HD integration, which focuses on procedures for testing and troubleshooting, have already started. After redeploying 8 IOG nodes, Cardano has added 51 pre-registered SPOs to the P2P testnet so that the network may be analyzed for performance and receive feedback. Could this event be the evidence? Amid the preparations, Cardano has released a new version of its Daedalus wallet, Daedalus 4.10.0, which fixes a pairing problem with the Ledger Nano S on the Windows operating system and enhances the display of tokens that are not identified. It also distributed the Hydra 0.5.0 version the following week. In addition, Cardano's IOG team is working to offer new products and features to its users, such as a dApp store, a new lightweight wallet, and bridges that allow movements of assets from the main layer chain to separate sidechains. These sidechains will enable the creation of decentralized exchanges, where users can exchange their ADAs for Bitcoins and vice versa through incorruptible smart contracts, thus preventing the possibility of scams. According to Hoskinson, the Cardano team has hundreds of engineers working on insane timelines again, thereby negating what any media outlets report. He said that as a founder, running a project as huge as Cardano is not an easy task, and he tries to offer universal solutions that just won't scratch the surface of a problem but will solve it at its root cause. Will these feats ascertain Hoskinson's claims? In retrospect to the prediction made by a panel of fintech specialists 2 months ago, Finder has high expectation for Cardano's ADA going forward, despite the coin currently being down. The specialists expect ADA to spike to $2.79 by the end of this year, as it proves to be the best performer among its peers. Finder's predictions came true as the Cardano network successfully implemented a major update for Plutus scripts. The Cardano blockchain implemented one of the most important upgrades of this year. Previously, improvements were made to memory limits per transaction. There are also per block limits in both CPU units and memory units. In addition, Cardano's block size was expanded by 80 kilobytes. In simple terms, Plutus developers were now able to create scripts that do more and put more scripts into Cardano's bigger blocks. Plutus scripts refer to Cardano's smart contract development language and execution platform utilizing the programming language Haskell. Cardano recorded 14 million memory units on Plutus, which is more than a 39% increase in the memory resources for Plutus scripts. It remains to be one of the most active and busiest digital assets in the crypto world in the past year. With that in mind, it's wise to say that ADA is one investment option worth considering. Many experts predict Cardano to have a bright future. With continued developments taking place within the Cardano ecosystem and in the crypto asset market as a whole, we may see Cardano potentially reaching a new high. Taking a thorough inspection of Cardano's amazing achievements and current outlook, we can only hope for the certainty of Hoskinson's claim. Ensure you click the subscribe and bell buttons.